Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are about to take a ride into the world of ChatGPT, where AI meets language and the results are mind-blowing. No matter who you are, tech enthusiast, content creator, or just a curious mind, get ready to explore the coolest AI on the block. But before we dive into it, please do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep creating the coolest contents for you. Let's get started, guys. In your web browser, type the address chat.openai.com. I will also leave the link in the description below. Once you hit the enter button, it's gonna bring up the screen like this. Here are some examples, some suggestions what ChatGPT can do for you, but believe me, it's not limited to it. It's got lots of potentials, lots of possibilities. If you have an account with the ChatGPT, you can log in. If you do not have one, please sign up. It's free. For sign up, you need your name, email address, and phone number. I will send you the OTP link on your phone number to verify the number. With one phone number, you can have only one account. You can also sign up with your Microsoft account, with your Google account, and with your Apple account as well. So once you complete the sign up process, it's going to bring up the screen like this. Here are some tips from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT can answer questions, help you learn, write codes, brainstorm together, and much more. Chat history may be reviewed, used to improve our services, learn more about choices in our help center. Check your fix. While we have safeguards, ChatGPT may give you an inaccurate information that is not intended to give advice. Alright guys, this is the main screen. GPT 3.5, GPT 4, 3.5 is the free version, GPT 4 is the paid versions. In the end of the tutorial, I will also compare the 3.5 and GPT 4, so watch the video till the end. Here are some examples below. You can write your question or prompt over here and it will bring up the response in the middle screen. You can save your chats, you can hide this menu. Let's start with an example. Tell me random fun facts about the Roman Empire. Once you got the response, you can like it, you can copy paste it, and then if you do not like it, if you want to modify it, just ask the ChatGPT like your friend, explain the answer like I'm in a 6th grade, and I will explain to you. And like I said before, guys, you can ask anything. If you are designing a website, you can ask ChatGPT, it will help you design a website. If you are writing a blog post, it can help you write a blog post, and you can save all your conversation up there. So if you're a student, obviously, you can ask about the essays. You can give all your question up there. You can write your book title in there, and it will summarize your books as well. And it will give you a specific give you details about a specific chapter as well. So you can basically ask anything you like to ask, and it will bring up the response. If you do not like the response, ask ChatGPT to modify it. So basically, it's all depends how you convey your message to the ChatGPT. Let's, for the sake of example, let's type one more question here. I want to lose weight 2 kg by the end of next month. So help me adjust a dieting plan. So obviously you guys need to give more information to the ChatGPT, like my weight is this much, my height is this much, I'm that much old, so that it can formulate its response according to that. And here we go. We got the response. It has given us a breakfast, then we got lunch, then we got dinner plan, then we got snacks in the middle. Hi guys, obviously if you want to earn some money through ChatGPT, there are lots and lots of opportunities in there. It has got so much potential. If you wanna, let's say for example, if you wanna write a blog post, you can ask ChatGPT. If you wanna create some YouTube videos ideas, you can ask for some YouTube video ideas from the ChatGPT. You can write some motivational quotes in there. You can use these quotes in YouTube Shorts. And you can also ask ChatGPT to help organize your social media channels. And you can ask ChatGPT to write a business plan for you. So there are lots and lots of opportunities in there. Similarly, guys, if you want to learn a new skill, like let's say for example, if you want to learn about computer programming, you can just type the prompt up there and it's gonna help you learn the new skills from there. And it will explain to you like in a simplest possible way for your understanding. Guys, before we conclude this video, let's compare GPT-3 and GPT-4. So basically GPT-3 and GPT-4 are massive AI languages models, like a super smart digital brain. GPT-3 has around 175 billion neurons and GPT-4 is even bigger. They can generate human-like texts when given a prompt, making them incredibly powerful tools for various tasks from writing to coding, and they represent the forefront of AI technology. Alright, so guys, if you are newbie and you do not require AI to generate the pictures, so the 3-point version, the free versions is enough for you guys. It can do a lot of things for you. And but keep in mind that 3.5 is only hold the information until January 2022, and the information after that is not in their database. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want me to keep making videos similar to this, please do me a favor, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.